Alright, what's going on today, YouTube? Welcome back to your favorite cyclist YouTube channel. This week we're working on some garage improvements, not the bike behind me. But before we get into today's video, if you're new to my channel, make sure you head down below, hit that subscribe button for me. If you already are subscribed, make sure you hit that bell icon right next to that. That way you get notified every time I upload. That way you don't miss any of this awesome cycling content on this channel. So like I said, today we're doing some garage improvements. It's been a minute since we did garage improvements. It's been about a year since we did garage improvements. And last time what we did, we worked on the door. So we went ahead and welded up all the braces into the actual panels of the door to make sure everything was nice and tight on there. And then we weather stripped around the whole outside of the door. Pretty much in prep for winter. And that's kind of what we're getting into today, but we're also prepping for filming videos on doing garage upgrades. Because we need to do some work in here. There's too many bikes. Too much stuff. I don't know what to do with it all. So we need to figure some stuff out, but I need to do something before we actually start filming those. And that has to do with what's right next to me here. And that would be that window right there. So if I aim it up at the window, it changes color and lighting. And if I come back down here, it's here. And if I put the camera like right there, that window is just a big white blob up on my screen. And it's kind of an annoying thing, especially when I need to film over in this area some. I just can't. That messes up the lighting on like everything. So today what we're doing, we're tinting a window. That's what we're doing. So this is the cheapest stuff I could buy. This is interesting stuff. So it's from Black Magic. It's called Insta Cling window film. It is a 5%, so it is freaking dark. So that pretty much means it lets 5% of light through. I'll tell you, the way our house faces, pretty much the sun goes across the front of the house. So this in the afternoon gets sun right through it. So it's actually not horrible right now, but it gets way worse, especially in the winter time. It gets really bad because then the sun goes down around like 2 o'clock or something, starts to come down this side. So it gets annoying. It's not really heat we're fighting against here, it's light what we're fighting against right here. So this stuff, so with it being the Insta Cling, it's just like a, what do they call it, a static cling? Yeah, so this is like a static cling type film. I've never used this stuff before, I'll say that. I have tinted car windows before. I actually tinted the windows on my truck. Did an okay job, they're alright. You know, it does the job of windows being darker. So this is the first time we're doing this, and that was even a few years ago. So we're gonna do this. Supposedly this stuff is super easy to install, and if you mess up, you can remove it, try again. Because there's no sticky film or residue to it. So I guess we'll try it. Reduces harmful UV rays and interior fading. Really don't care. I got blinds up on the curtain. I just need the window to be darker. So yeah, so first thing we gotta do, we gotta get up to the window. We gotta clean off this whole window here because I never use this window, and so it gets cobwebs and yeah, stuff on it. So let's go up there, grab my shop vac, we'll start cleaning stuff up there, and then we'll get to laying the tint out and putting it onto the window and see how well it actually works. So I got you guys way up here. Oh my goodness, you guys are way up here. Can't even see me. Ah. So these blinds, they work. They do an okay job. They do better than nothing. These are like the old blinds from one of the rooms in our house. I just screwed into the support beams pretty much. They work. Obviously they're missing a little bit there, but they do the job. I'm not replacing them with anything because why? It's in the garage. So we gotta vacuum up all of these spider webs, including all the spiders that want to kill me. Need to get vacuumed up, and then we can lift the curtains up, lift the blinds up, and we can see what's behind there and actually get to cleaning the window. So let's go ahead, let's start the shop vac and get vacuuming. Alright, got that vacuumed. Let's go ahead, let's pull up our curtains. I don't remember if these actually lock up, or blinds. I don't remember if these actually lock up or not. They don't. What the frick is that thing? There's something on my windowsill. I need to tie this somewhere. There we go. That'll work. What the heck is this thing? It's got fur on it. Oh! Oh, that thing's got fur! What the heck is that? Vacuum! I don't know what that thing was. Jeez. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead, clean up our window here. Some glass cleaner, ammonia free. And a lot of this crap is on the outside, you see. They didn't do a good job when whoever painted our house last, and they got paint all over the windows. Little paint spots everywhere. So it's not on the inside. The inside will be clean. There we go. Okay, well, I've already sprayed this side. All right. Can't reach that high. Got it all cleaned. Let's grab our tint out of the box. We'll see what it looks like on the window. Alright, let's open up our tint here. This should be enough. How much does it say this covers? 26 by 78. Yeah, it should be enough. Let's see here. Okay. Nothing else in the box. Alright. Covered in paper. There we go. Alright. Let's get this guy unwrapped and we'll see what we got looking like here. So this is going to be a little different than the tint I've done in the past. Okay. So if we get up here. Hi guys. So get up here. We can, I think we're going to want to just go this way. Is that darker? Oh, it's definitely darker. You can see that from over there on the camera. Okay. So let's kind of get this all the way up. If we can. There it goes. All the way up in this corner. Okay, so we're going to roll this down. We're going to kind of get a spot a little bit down here. We're going to try and cut this. This stuff is thick. There it goes. Okay, now that we've got something to work with, we can set this down here. Roll it back up to protect it. Alright. Now we've actually got a piece smaller piece we can work with in the window. Try and get this nice and even up on the top. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna grab just a card here. Got it kind of up to where we need it. Just gonna check right there. There we go. Okay. Kind of up where we need it to go. Have I mentioned this is so not a tutorial how to do this? That looks iffy at best. I mean, can you guys see the difference? You can see the difference. Wow. Yeah, that's what we want. Okay, let me go try a little trick here. Alright, so here's what I'll say. After doing the first one, now working on the second, don't listen to the instructions. The instructions claim this is just going to cling to the window and you don't need anything underneath it. You want to put soapy water on. Just like if you're tinting a car window. It does not want to stick up there. Gosh dang. Soapy water lets you get all these air bubbles out of here. Otherwise, it might look halfway decent on the inside, but when you go outside, whoa, ooh, I couldn't live with that. So we are doing the second one, did exactly the same as the first one. Cut it to our window size. And now we're just trying to squeegee out. Why does this not want to stick? Goodness gracious, just stay there. Now we're squeegeeing out all the bubbles. So what we're gonna do, so in this spray bottle I just have, I think it's dish soap and water. Just what I happen to have for soapy water right now. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna peel this back and we're gonna just spray that guy all down and then spray the window down with some. And then what we can do, we can, no, that's the wrong side. Oh, buggers. I grabbed the wrong side. Okay, well, you can just stick it right here. Kind of shove it into position. And then we can just start squeegeeing water out very carefully. You're gonna see all these freaking bubbles, giant bubbles, small bubbles, whatever. Those all gotta get out of here. I'm gonna try and get these last few bubbles out of here. And then I will go show you guys what it looks like from the outside. It looks pretty good. Even just the one being done, it looked pretty good. But any of these bubbles, if you look from the outside, you'll see just a white spot or a line, whatever it is. And it doesn't look that good. So we're gonna get as much as we can off of here. This spot does not want to go smooth. There it goes. Okay. Alright. I think that one's pretty good. Let's go take a look at it outside. I'll show you what it looks like from the outside. But right now, it looks way better. Heck yeah. Way better. Alright, so outside, you can actually see me. Look at that. It wasn't reflective before. So you can actually see, so there's the first side we did. There's our second side, so we actually got some bubbles right up there. You can see them. So that's what it looks like on the outside. So I'll squeeze you a little bit more at the top on this one. This one's got this corner having problems, I guess. That corner and that corner. So we'll have to, I'm trying to wait for some of the soap to dry on this one. Then we can get that there, but that looks good. You can't see anything from outside now. Even if you get way up close. You guys can't see anything. Oh, you can barely see. There you go. You gotta get way the heck up close. So actually adds protection right there. And then if we're in here, and I'm talking or filming or whatever the heck we're doing, and I happen to go over to the window, it doesn't look as bad. It doesn't change color dramatically from over here. Dude, yes. I like that. Super cheap too. So let's talk about the tint, and then we got another garage update done in the bag. So project number 1, window tinted. I have the blinds open right now, and it doesn't have a huge glare. You normally could be able to see the sun on my hand or this side of my face. You can't see it anymore. You can see outside pretty good. Is it clear? No. So I don't recommend doing this if you actually want to see clearly out your window. It looked kind of foggy, but again, that's just the cheap tint. The Instacling. This stuff is thick. Does it work? Yeah, it works. I probably wouldn't use it again. I'm going to keep whatever's left, but I would not want to use this again. It's very thick. It kind of works. It does what it needs to do for a not good quality window. For a basic window, I just want to black out. It does an okay job for now. So like I said, so this thing actually just tells you to put it right on. It does say, oh, if you want to put it on stronger, wet the window and then squeegee out their bubbles. Yeah, so that's, yeah. So do that. Don't do what they say. Make sure you use soapy water, spray it underneath, squeegee out the bubbles. And it looks halfway decent. Not beautiful, not like perfect, but it looks halfway decent. And it's good enough for a garage where I just need light off my face and still be able to see outside. So I'm going to have a link. I'll have a link to this if you guys are interested in it. I mean, if you want to pick it up, just do your own garage window or something like that. You can do car windows. I wouldn't do car windows with this. This stuff's horrible. But you can pick it up just to do a window in your garage if you want. So I will link in the description if you want to check more out of this Black Magic Instacling window film. I bought it myself just to try it out and darken a window. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, or at least maybe you learned something. At least not how to do it, because this wasn't a tutorial. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Appreciate the support. Any comments or questions, let me know down in the comment section below. Love talking to you guys. Love answering any questions you guys have. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching today.